All right, let's see if the ladies and the gents like my sprouts. Hi. Who wants a snack? Huh? Who wants a snack? Oh, Sunfire. That's why she gets her name. What do we think? Whoa! Do we like them? Or are they going to be more bunny food? What do you think? Oh, yeah. Go on. Are we digging them or they no? It's going to take them a minute. What do we think? Does Mommy love you? Yes, she does. You silver bullet. Come on, Taco. It's a lavender. God, I don't know my chicken names. Lavender Orpington rooster, and then Taco is a black copper Morand. There's another lavender Orpington, I believe. That's my old girl. Come on. Num num. They're good for you. Yeah, you're eating them, huh, Raven? Oh, Sunfire. Jeez. You are spunky. What do we think? Huh? Here. Want some? Here. Apache, no. Barking at the bunnies. Okay, well, let's try a bunny. Should we go to the baby bunnies and see? Let's go over to the baby bunnies. I bet you they're going to like a little treat. There's Coulter's little pride and joy. We let him roam around. He's got white ears on the inside. Snook nook. Okay. Hey, Brownie. This one is giant. Oh, hi, babies. These four. There's 4 in here that are available. Uh-huh. Hey, cutie pies. Just Mama. Be scared. Look. Do you want some sprouts? Mmm. Nummy. What do you think? Gonna have a snack? No? Not too sure? Hi, Moon. Bet Moon's wanting some. Here. Moon. Look. Sprouts. Ooh. Num num. You're such a pretty girl. Oh, I knew the bunnies would like them. I knew the bunnies would like them. Let's see if the quail like them. Hi. That's a little snack. You want a snack? You get your snack. Open the door. Here. Num num. Come on. Oh, yes. Uh-huh. Oh, we like them. Coulter's pigeon. Polly. You like them? I knew the quail would like them. Apache. Oh, hi. Okay. So funny. I've had this little... This male out here was being naughty. So I let him out. And since all the girls are in here, he's not going anywhere. And then I've got 2 males over there that I'm not quite sure I'm going to do with. They might be dinner, but as of now, I don't have the heart to harvest any quail yet because they're my babies. And they're so pretty. Let's see if they want a snack. You guys want a snack? Oh, I knew the quail would like them. I knew some farm animals on my farm would love some yummy sprouts. What do you think? They're good for you. Mama loves ya. Yes, she does. Any eggs? Oh, got one egg. One egg. You see that? Uh-oh. That's weird. Well, we got one egg. My camera's doing something funky. The sprouts are a success. I like them, the bunnies like them, the quail like them. Oh look, the chicken even like them. Just took him a minute. Hi. Taco is just gorgeous. Hi, Taco. Hey, Sunfire. Hey, Silver Bullet. All right. I'm gonna drop any more eggs in there. Nope. 6 eggs today. You just want some more? They're good for you. Oh, you're gonna like them. Perfect. Well, that experiment was good. I'm making more of those probably every day. Beautiful here. Bright blue sky.